Student, today we are going to first chapter in geometry, that is chapter number 1, basic concept of geometry. Under this we solve exercise 1.1. So we come to know first question of exercise 1.1. What is that? Find the distance with the help of number line given below. And the number line are given below. Here some points are there on a number line and their coordinate also given, that is A, B, C, D, E, and over here H, J, K, P, Q. Under this we first find out distance BE. For find out distance BE, first we find coordinates of B. What is coordinate of B? The coordinates of B is a 2. And coordinate of E. What is coordinate of E? Point E. Point E का coordinate है, whereas E का coordinate 5 है. So in this phi is greater than 2. Phi is greater than 2. Therefore distance BE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate is what? 5, and smaller coordinate is what? 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore distance BE is equal to 3. Yes. Second one is we find out distance JA. For distance JA, first we write coordinate of J. What's the coordinate of J? The coordinate of J is a -2, and coordinate of A. What's the coordinate of A? A is equal to 1. Now -2 and 1, so 1 is greater than -2. Distance JA is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now greater coordinate is what? 1 minus smaller coordinate is what? -2. 1 minus plus 1 plus 2. Answer is 3. The distance JA is equal to 3. Answer will be 3. Now third one, distance PC. We find out distance PC. For that we find coordinate of P. The coordinate of P is what? The coordinate of P is -4, and the coordinate of C is what? C is equal to, the coordinate of C is 3. 3 is greater than -4. Therefore distance PC is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate is what? 3 minus -4. 3 minus plus 3 plus 4, 7. Distance PC is equal to 7. So student, there are we solved 3 questions. There are 5 more questions, that is question 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That 5 questions you will do as a by yourself. If you have any problem, we will discuss in a class. Now we do question number 2 of this exercise. Question number 2 of this exercise. Student, second question is what? If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance AB. They give coordinate of x is equal to 1 and coordinate of y is equal to 7. we solve this equation, we solve this sum directly. That is what? Distance AB is equal to greatest coordinate, greatest minus smallest, greatest minus smallest. So in this question, which coordinate is greatest? 7 is greatest and this one is the smallest. That means y minus x. That means what? 7 minus 1. That is mean more. That is means was 7 minus 1. What is that? 6. Distance AB is equal to 6. Distance AB is equal to 6. In question number 2, second question is what? X is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. The coordinate of x is equal to 6 and the coordinate of y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, directly we solve this. Distance AB is equal to greatest minus smallest. Greatest minus smallest. Greatest is what? 6 and smallest is what? Minus 2. 6 minus 6 plus 2, that is 8. In this case, distance AB is equal to 8. In question number 2, there is after question number 2 we don't solve question number 3. It's like that only. We solve after that question number 4. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. For this we find distance AB is equal to greatest minus smallest. Greatest minus smallest. Greatest is what? Minus 4 and minus 5. In this, minus 4 is the greatest. Minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 plus 5. Minus plus minus. And greater, sign of greater number. 5 minus 4, 1. Distance AB is equal to 1. So student, in question number 2, we solve question number 1, question number 2 and question number 4. We leave question number 3, question number 5 and 6 because all these three questions are solved like this. So you can do by yourself. Question number 3 is what? From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. Find which of the point is between other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. If the points are collinear, then we find out which one is between other two. If it is not collinear, then state so. Okay. Under this, first is what? Distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. First of all, we just see which distance have a maximum value. Distance PR 7, no. Distance PQ 10, no. Distance QR 3. Yes, distance PQ have a maximum value of a distance, that is 10. So we first take distance PQ. So distance PQ is equal to 10. We take it as a 1 first. Now after that, what left? Distance PR and distance QR. Therefore distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance PR plus distance QR also is equal to 10. Therefore distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. Distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. In this, we see that R is repeated. In this, we see that R is repeated. Therefore, R is in between P and Q. If the line PQR is a collinear, yes, line PQR is a collinear, then R is in between P and Q. Why R is in between P and Q? Because PQ is the end point, start point and end point, P and Q. So R is in between P and Q. So how we come to know that R is in between P and Q? From first and second. Distance PQ is equal to 10. Distance PR plus distance QR also is equal to 10. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. We come to know R is in between P and Q from first and second. Yes, under question number 3, question number 2 is the what? Sub question 2 is the what? Distance RS is equal to 8, distance ST is equal to 6, and distance RT is equal to 4. Therefore, distance RS is the maximum. So, distance RS is equal to 8, that is number 1. And after that, what left? Distance ST. Distance ST plus distance RT. Distance ST plus distance RT is equal to, what's the value of ST? 6 plus 4, 10. That is second. Distance RS 8 है और distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 10. Both are not same. Therefore, these points are not collinear. If these points are not collinear, betweenness does not exist in this. So, this is non-collinear points. So under question number 3 we do question number 1 and question number 2. After that we left question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. All this question is same. So therefore we do by ourselves.